Good morning, everybody. Day 71, I think. It's hard to keep up. A little cloudy out today, but it's 63, so it's a beautiful morning. I had my best ever bike ride this morning, so I beat my last time by like 10 seconds. So, yeah, I averaged like it was 4 minutes, 20 seconds per mile, which my last was like 4:40 or 4:35. So, woohoo! I was feeling it this morning. I got my run in, got my ride in. It's Monday, gonna be a busy day. We've got sponsors to get a hold of and keep growing this. I don't know what's up with my dog this morning, but she is feeling a little frisky. Maybe it's because Grandma and Grandpa are in here. I don't know, but I've heard her bark more this morning than I have in forever. So she is definitely feeling it. And tomorrow, February 7th, will be my 3-month anniversary of doing this. Of the diet change, of working out every day. I only missed 3 days. So hopefully I'll get time today. I'm gonna tally up everything I've done in the past 90 days and you know, how many miles I've went, how much weight I've lost, all that stuff. Give you guys a tally of what 3 months of working out every day and changing your diet looks like. So I'm kind of excited to see that myself, just to see how much ground I have covered and you know, what I've accomplished over the past 90 days. Goes Honey again. She's just in a pissy mood this morning. Anyway, I am gonna go get some coffee. I will see you in a few. What's up, guys? So it is the end of day 71. Whew. What a day. So we got lots going on. Route 66 planning is so close to being done. I think Mama Badger came out of her office earlier today and said that we had the endpoint all set up. She got to talk to the manager there. The manager's like, yeah, we'd love to have you. We'll have a bike night, a band, food trucks, the whole 9 yards. So we of course will announce that once we get like all the finite details wrapped up. But for now, it looks like we've got our ending point set. So like I said, all the planning almost done. We have February and March left for registration, and I know we're at 59 riders right now, so that means we got what, 91 spots left. So if you guys want to go, if you've ever wanted to do Route 66, it's on your bucket list. Why not do it with a bunch of people that all have the same passion for motorcycles as you do? It'll already be planned for the most part. We'll have all of our stops, so you can just go enjoy, sightsee, meet new people, share the adventure with some like-minded individuals. Highly recommend. So join us at Route 66. If you have questions about it, guys, of course you can reach out to me, but you can go to supportbikers.com/Route 66, and all the information will be there for you. So you can also kind of do your research, and then, like I said, reach out to us if you have any questions. Another thing that happened today was we started, you know, kind of working on goals for February. So my goal in February is to find us an attorney in Ohio. We already have Support Bikers Ohio. It's like 1,200 members or something, so it's growing rapidly, but we do not have an attorney in that state. And as most of you know, the attorneys we partner up with and sponsor us, they're the ones that provide the support in that state. They're the ones that pay for the group, pay for the website, and help grow the community in that state. They get behind us, and we can really grow Support Bikers Ohio. And that's my goal. My goal for February is to find one. So if you're watching this and you're from Ohio, or you know people from Ohio, find out who they think the best motorcycle accident attorney in Ohio is. Of course, we have to vet them. So all I need is a name. I will look them up. I will reach out to them. I'll have a meeting with them. That is if they want to meet with me. and we will start the process, because it's a process. We don't just go, oh, you're an attorney, any attorney will do. That isn't how it works. So we need attorneys that are biker-centric, biker-oriented, have tried biker cases, and understand, the difference between a motorcycle and a car accident. And it would be really nice if they understood the culture and just the overall community that bikers have and are a part of. So anyway, that's how you could help me. If you know anybody in Ohio, or you've heard of any attorneys, put their name in the comments below. I will look them up, and like I said, we'll start the whole process. Next question would be silver. So what I decided to do, I went ahead and got a Drag Specialties clutch basket. It'll be here this week. I'll put the clutch basket and the new clutch in it. The last one lasted me like 49,000 miles. So I got like 50,000 miles out of it. That's not really great mileage out of one. So I looked at some performance ones. I didn't find any that like tripped my trigger. So I went ahead and got the Drag Specialty ones, knowing that it is a weak part. I'm just gonna have to check it. Every winter I will check it out, and if I look at it and I feel like it's getting weak or something, I'll just replace it. That way it won't leave me sitting alongside the road. At least that is the plan for now. Things change. I change my mind a lot, guys, if you haven't noticed that. Tomorrow, or you're watching this, so today is my 3-month anniversary. So super excited about that. 3 months ago today, I decided to make some changes, start working out, change my diet, and it's had a dramatic change. So tomorrow's video, hopefully I can give you some statistics. How many miles I've ridden and ran, how much weight I've lost, all those cool things of what 90 days of working out every day and changing your diet can do. But anyway, for tonight, that is the end. I will see you tomorrow.